Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Adrian Aurelius with another Kingaru video. On today's video, we're going to quickly discuss how to add the Kingaru network onto your MetaMask. But before we continue, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Let's get into it. So one of the main reasons why you want to move your Crew coins onto a MetaMask wallet is for a couple of reasons. If you have it on a centralized exchange, that means that you technically don't own your crypto. Like they say, not your keys, not your crypto. Another reason is if you put it onto a MetaMask, you could also put it on a cold storage wallet like a Ledger or a Trezor, which is very important in securing your crypto. That's something that I do all the time, and especially if you're holding and you have been accumulating Crew coins, which I know most of you are, this is important. So let's get into the video. It's a quick tutorial on the 1 minute how to add the actual network onto your MetaMask. Let's go. All right, guys, so for the very first step, I'm going to show you how to set this up. I have two different browsers window open just to show you how to get the information and how to add it to your MetaMask. So for step one, I'm going to open my MetaMask wallet. I'm going to hit up here where you see Smart Chain. And what we're trying to do, I already have it on my network, so I'm going to delete it purposely so I could re-add it. So you can hit on Add Network. So you have a couple of informations that you have to fill in the space, and we're going to get this information straight from the kingaru.com website. So I'm on here already, and I'm just going to head over to Network, Connect, and there you have it. All the information you need to put into these blanks. So let's do it right now. All you have to do is copy and paste and make it even easier for you. And guys, also make sure that you're getting it directly from the website. Don't get this information from any other sources other than the direct source. It could misguide you. That easy, guys. And for the last step, we're going to hit on Save. And that's it. Now you have the Kingaru network on your MetaMask. And now from the coins that you've been buying from Bitmark, now you can move it to your own MetaMask wallet. And again, you can protect it using your Trezor or any type of cold storage. Now, I believe that was very simple. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding the video, please leave it in the comments below. And once again, don't forget to like and also subscribe. And you guys have a great afternoon. Thanks for watching.